how to enlarge clock on the lock screen of iPhone iOS 26. So first let's go back to your home screen, and on the home screen press on the side button to lock your phone, then tap on it to go to your lock screen. Now touch and hold on empty spot. Then at the bottom here, tap on customize. Now to customize your clock, what you can do is tap on the clock here, and then if you are selecting any other font type, you will not be able to customize your clock. You will not be able to change the size. So you need to go to the first option, and that is the only one that will allow you to change your clock size. So select the first option, and then down here there will be a handle. So you drag on this corner handle to resize your clock. So this will allow you to enlarge the clock and make it a lot bigger. Now if you want to add in the depth effect of your clock, you can tap on this button here and then choose depth effect on, and that makes like the clock is sitting behind another object. And that's it. Then tap on done, and then tap anywhere out here to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.